Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex, and here is our gold analysis for the day. So first and first, we have to understand that gold is on a bullish trend, and what happened was that last week we had a pullback price pullback 2 weeks ago from this area all the way down to this particular area. At this area, we can clearly see that on Wednesday, that was last 2 weeks, we had the double bottom formation over here, and you can see that this candle was strong and it was able to break past this area and it kept going to the bullish direction. Now, to confirm that we are still on a bullish trend is that when price pulled up and break this resistance at this area, it came and formed a new higher high, then it pulled back, formed a new higher low, then it kind of like, you know, formed a new support at that resistance area that was previously broken. So now price is trying like its best to go all the way to the bullish direction. I took a loss today because I had a bad trade. I actually was in profits, but if I was sharp enough, I would have closed the trade early and still make profit, because I was kind of like selling, hoping that price was going to pull back. But I think I was slow because I was expecting more pips, but actually price just kept going bullish, strongly bullish. Now let's look at what has happening in the 1 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame analysis. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame real quick. So in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that today gold is bullish, and this week itself it looks bullish already, because if I'm putting my line, let's say for Monday, okay, you can see for Monday in the morning at 12 a.m. you can see that we're looking at what happened here previously, right? You can see that the last candle that formed on Friday was kind of like a higher low candle, and we had a higher high over here, then we had a new higher low over here, then now we have a new higher high because price has broken this resistance area strongly. Let's say if we have to put our trend line, I'll put my trend line from this area, like from here, from here all the way to this area. You can see that price respects the trend line. It's actually trending in the bullish direction, and I believe that very soon gold will have a pullback, because gold has been strongly bullish. It will pull back, I think probably to this particular zone, to this resistance area that was broken, then it moves back up. Now let's look at it now in the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that we're still bullish, still yet in this particular session, this London session. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. In the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that price is still strongly bullish. Now let's see how many pips price has moved today. Today price formed a pullback to gain liquidity to push up to the bullish direction. So this was the interesting candle, which we call a doji candle. Okay, after this doji candle formed over here, let's see how many pips it has moved today. It has moved about 180 pips, I would say 190 pips already in these 2 sessions, in the Asian session and also in the early London session. So I would say that price have to look for a pullback at least to this area. Let's say at least to this area. Then when it gets to this area, it can gain liquidity to be able to move back to the bullish direction. That's my outlook for this particular pair. It needs a pullback, because if you look at this in the RSI and other indicators, you see that price has really been over bullish. So let's see what happens here, because this candle is already an indecision candle, a doji candle. This candle, if this candle closed strongly bullish, if this candle closed strongly bearish, then I'm looking for a little sell over here, right? Then when it gets down to this area, I'll wait to see what happens in this particular zone, and I'll buy gold, because gold is still bullish, if you know what I mean. So that's my analysis for gold today. What do you think about gold? Do you think it's going to keep going bullish? Because if you look at it in the 4 hour time frame, gold is trying to hit this particular high, and if it does hit this high, then it might form a strong breakout of this particular area, and we may see gold test the bullish direction strongly before we may wait for the bears to come in strongly to push price back at bay, if you know what I mean. So that's it for this particular video. What are your thoughts? Drop it down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Whole lot here later.